Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are required to find the area of this square. Let's name our square as A, B, C, D. We need to find the area, and since this is a square, distance BC, this is equal to CD, this is equal to DA, this is equal to AB. The area of a square is given by length multiplied by length, and they don't give us direct, they give us in terms of expressions. So first, let's find the value of x, then we are going to find the length. BC is equal to CD. That means 4x minus 10, this is equal to 2x plus 40. This is equal to 2x plus 40. From here, let's find the value of x. Bring 2x to the left hand side and minus 10 to the right hand side. That is going to be 4x minus 2x. This is equal to 40 plus 10. That is 2x is equal to 50. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, it's 1. By 2, we got 25. The value of x is equal to 25. But we know distance BC, this is equal to length. This is equal to 4x minus 10. Substitute the value of x equal to 25 to this expression. We are going to get length is equal to 4 multiplied by 25. Take away 10. We are going to get that equal to 100 minus 10. We are going to get length is equal to 90 centimeter. Since this is a square, even if we substitute the value of x to 2x plus 40, we are going to get the same value of length, which is 90 centimeter. Now let's go forward and find the area. The area is equal to length multiplied by length. Now our area is going to be 90 multiplied by 90. We are going to get the area is equal to 8,100 centimeter square. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on area and perimeter, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.